Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Sanobar, your gate architecture mentor at Safal Together. In today's video, we are going to discuss something very aspirant dream of how to score 60 plus marks in gate architecture and planning. Whether you are preparing full time, in college, or working, this strategy will help you push beyond the average and aim for IIT level scores. Understanding the target. Let's first understand what 60 plus mean in gate architecture. The exam is of 100 marks and the qualifying cutoff for general category is usually around 33 to 40 marks. So if you can reach 60 plus, you are in the top 5 to 10% of all aspirants, which is strong enough for IITs, NITs and SPAs. To reach that level, you don't need to study everything. You need to study smartly and strategically. GATE architecture exam structure breakdown. General aptitude will be of 15 marks, core subject will be of 85 marks. Know the paper and weightage. Here's the structure of GATE architecture and planning. The general aptitude will contain 15 marks and the core subject will contain 85 marks. Then architecture subject, which will include building construction, structure and material, history and theory, services and climatology. Planning will contain urban planning theories, housing and development, acts and regulation, and transportation planning. Phase-wise preparation strategy. Phase 1 foundation month, initial month which is of 1 to 3, building comprehensive understanding of all topics, cover the entire syllabus systematically, making detailed notes and clarify concept. Phase 2 of month 4 to 6, solve previous year question, identify weak areas and develop problem solving speed, focus on application over theory. In phase 3, perfection, 7 to 8 months, take full length mock, fine tune time management and master exam temperament, polish your strategy to perfection. High weightage is topic you can't ignore. His architecture, history, structure and materials, building services, planning as and regulation, and planning theory, which will come in planning paper. The power of previous year question and mock test. Your secret weapon. Solve 10 years of previous year questions. Attempt 10 plus full length mock test. Analyze every mistake. Don't check answers. Understand why you went wrong. Every error is learning opportunity that bring you closer to 60 plus. Consistency beats intensity. 2 to 3 hours daily. Sustainable progress. Build long-term retention. Prevent burnout. Create strong neural pathway. Maintain work-life balance. 1 day marathon, fleeting effort, information overload, poor retention, physical and mental exhaustion, unsustainable approach. We should be avoiding it and we should be focusing on consistency. Excellence is not an act but a habit. Your daily 2 to 3 hours of focused study will compound into extraordinary result by exam day. So, join Safal Together Warrior Batch, your preparation partner. Don't walk this journey alone. The Safal Together Warrior Batch is designed specifically for gate architecture aspirants who are serious about scoring 60 plus. Live and recorded classes, expert facility, interactive session, and lifetime access to recording. Comprehensive notes, structures, study material cover the entire syllabus. Peer community, connect with fellow warriors, share strategy, stay motivated. Aim 60 plus, think smart, stay consistent. Your journey to gate architecture success begin with a single decision. The decision to commit fully, prepare strategically and never settle for average. Remember, 60 plus isn't just a score. It's a testament to your dedication, intelligence and perseverance. You have the roadmap, you have the resource. Now all you need is unwavering consistency and believe in yourself. Your success story starts today. Thank you so much.